Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our home decoration ideas video series. In this video, we will be sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you refresh your home decor. Whether you are looking to create a cozy and inviting space or update your decor with some modern touches, we have got you covered. First up, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to update your decor, adding some new throw pillows. You can mix and match different patterns and colors to create a cozy look that perfectly complements your style. Not only do they add some visual interest to your space, but they are also incredibly comfortable to snuggle with on your sofa bed. Next, let's talk about greenery. Adding some plants to your space is not only a great to bring some life and freshness to your decor, but they also improve air quality. Whether your option for a statement plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a few smaller plants like snuggles and air plants, incorporate getting some green in your home in a surefire way to elevate your decor. If you are looking to create a gallery wall, If you are looking to create a gallery wall, here are some tips to make it a success. First, choose a focal point and build your wall around it. This can be a large piece of art or a photograph that you love. Then mix and match different sizes and style of frames to create a visually twisting display. Finally, do not be afraid to incorporate some personal touches. Your live family photos or sentimental artwork. These will be make your gallery wall feel uniquely your. If you are looking to create a cozy and inviting vibe in your home, consider adding some candles or fairy lights. These will create a warm and relaxing atmosphere that you will love coming home to. You can choose from a variety of scent and style to create the perfect ambience for your space. Now let's talk about adding some textures to your space. One great way to do this is by incorporating arcs. You can choose from a variety of materials and coziness to add some warmth to your floors. Not only do rugs and some visual interest to your space, but they also provide a comfort spots to sit or lie down on. If you have a small space, here are some tips to make the most of it. First, choose furniture that is both functional and stylish.